Hey everybody, I'm Josh. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some prior art. So I knew the impact driver was prior art because there's a spring in here that winds up and then releases and then moves this shaft. But I was looking for something more specific. So a viewer reached out and said, hey, that's basically a hand cranked spring starter. Yeah, when you typed in this to the Googles, all kinds of stuff came up. This has been around forever. I kind of had a feeling that was going on because whenever I build something and I have trouble finding prior art in it, usually my thought is, well, I'm just not looking far back in history enough because there's nothing really new under the sun, especially when it comes to mechanical stuff. And also, if you're putting in the wrong words, I was looking for things like, yeah, I was typing in stuff like this. Nothing, man. It's just crickets. Wouldn't bring up anything. Mechanical pulse engine. I'd come up with nothing. So you got a bunch of different manufacturers. These are just two that I came across recently. They're used in a lot of farm equipment and stuff like that. So I like how it's super close to what I'm thinking of trying to do with this whole concept of using. So it's good to know this stuff's out there. It's super similar to what I'm trying to do. So instead of using this contraption to start a motor to crank it over, you just skip the motor and go right to the rear wheels. So we'll see how it goes. Keep our eye on this space. Thank you.